Good day, everyone. This is Group 8 presentation about F-test. I'm Archinel Sabaron.
And I'm Gea Sehioka.
And I'm Sunny Junior B. Imperad.
F-test. F-test definition. F-test is a statistical test used to compare the variance of two populations or to assess the overall significance of a regression model. It evaluates whether there are significant differences between group means or variance, typically in the context of an analysis of variance, ANOVA, or regression analysis. F-test. F-test is used to compare the variance, evaluate the significance of regression model, or test specific hypotheses about population means in the context of ANOVA. It's widely used in statistics to determine whether group differences or relationships are significant. Key points. Purpose. To test if two variants are significantly different. To test the overall significance of a regression model. e.g., whether the independent variables jointly explain the dependent variable.
Application of research. An F-test is a statistical test that can be used in research to compare the variance of two samples or populations. It's a type of hypothesis testing that uses the F-statistic to analyze data variance. Here are some applications of F-test and research. Comparing statistical models, F-tests are often used to compare statistical models that have been fitted to a data set. The goal is to identify the model that best fits the population from which the data was sampled. Testing for equality of variances. F-tests can be used to test whether two independent samples have been drawn from a normal population with the same variability. ANOVA and regression analysis. F-tests are vital for ANOVA and regression analysis. To conduct an F-test, the population should follow an F distribution and the samples must be independent events. The F statistic is calculated by dividing the variance of the first group by the variance of the second group. The calculated F value is then compared with a critical value from the F distribution table at a specific significance level.
Here are formula of F-test. F value equals variance of first data set divided to variance of two data sets. Sample 1. The degrees of freedom for the numerator is NDF equals N1 minus 1, and the degrees of freedom for the denominator is DDF equals N2 minus 1. Here are some examples of using the F-test formula. Comparing the effects of a new drug on insomnia. Fn1 equals 8. 8 2 equals 6. S2 divide 1 equals 600. And S2 divide 2 equals 400. Then, the F-test is F equals 600 divide 400 equals 1.5. Another example. Comparing pizza delivery times of two cities. Fn1 equals 28, N2 equals 25, S2 divide 1 equals 38, and S2 divide 2 equals 83. Then, the F-test is F equals 38 divide 83 equals 0.45. Another examples. Comparing batteries for toys. Fn equals 41, N2 equals 21, S2 divide 1 equals 110, and S2 divide 2 equals 65. Then, the F-test is F equals 110 divide 65 equals 1.69. The F-test is a statistical test that compares the variances of standard deviations of two populations. The F distribution is used to compare data in hypothesis testing of variance.
Symbol of F-test. The symbol for the F-statistic is F. The F-statistic is a value that is compared to a critical value to determine whether or not to reject the null hypothesis. The conclusion of F-test. The F-test is a fundamental statistical technique important for comparing variance and analyzing group differences. Understanding its application, assumption, and implication is critical for accurate data interpretation. Proper use of the F-test can enhance the rigor and reliability of research findings. This presentation provides us a comprehensive overview of the F-test in concise and structured format.
This is the end of our video representation.